How to create stickers in Leonardo AI. First of all, we need to make sure we logged in Leonardo AI and get to the main page. Then click Image Generation to write a prompt. Here we need to write sticker, vector, of a kawaii, and here we need to write what we want to generate, for example, fruit pizza, and also we can add white background. Now we need to choose the right model for generation. To do it, just click Fine-Tuned Model, then Other Models, then Community Model, and write in a search bar, Sticker, and here just choose this model. Make sure you turn on Prompt Magic and click Generate. And here we have the result. If we need something yet, just click Generate again. And now when we have the result, just click Upscale button, and then just click right here. To download the image, just click on the image you upscaled and click Download button. Now drop the generated image in Photoshop and then just click Remove Background. Now just choose the Magic Wand tool and choose all the stroke around pizza by clicking left mouse. Now to add white stroke like on stickers, just press Alt and click left mouse on the layer with pizza. Now go to Select, Modify, Expand, and type here 20 pixels. And create new clear layer under pizza and fill it with white color. Now to save this sticker, just select all layers and click Merge Layers. Click right mouse on this layer and then Quick Export as PNG. Here just to save it whatever you want. Now go to Vectorizer AI and just upload the PNG image we saved. And here, you can see the difference between two results. As you see, the image is much more detailed. To save it, just click Download button and just select which one format you need, and click Download again. Now you know how to create sticker with Leonardo AI. See you soon.